picked up this gorilla at Walmart a while back. I've been meaning to do a video on it. It's an Adventure Force gorilla sold by Walmart. This gorilla is a pretty good scale. I picked up this Storm Shadow at a thrift store that was nearby. Pretty good size scale for a G.I. Joe. I also picked up this on clearance a while back. It's the Rampage, the movie, George the Gorilla. I thought he'd pass as a great albino pygmy gorilla for G.I. Joe to hunt. It's a pretty good size. These two gorillas are a great addition to my collection. I'm pretty satisfied with them. I can't wait to do a photo story or a video with them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. If you have any questions, or just want to drop a comment and say hi, please feel free to do that. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.